Ready? Today we're going to show you how to replace a headlight bulb on the Toyota 4Runner. First, you're going to want to make sure the ignition is turned off and the headlight switch is turned off. Once you have done so, locate the hood release, latch, pull on it. Now we're going to locate our safety release down here underneath the emblem to the driver's side of it. It's got some shocks so you don't have to worry about putting a hood prop. So this passenger side is very accessible. As you can see, your headlight bulb is actually right here. Just twist, or you disconnect, you twist, pull off, headlight's out, and replace. Our headlight is out on a bit of a trickier side here because we have our battery in place here. So if you got huge hands, you might want to remove this. Easiest way is gonna be to loosen this nut all the way up, loosen this one, and you're gonna pull these hooks off. You can pull your battery, you can pull it off to the side. If you really want to take it out completely, disconnect the negative side and the positive side, pull the battery out. Once you reinstall it, put the positive back on, then the negative back on. So you're going to locate your headlight bulb, which is this guy right here. We're going to go ahead and just, with one hand, push down on this part of the harness and pull gently, or you could push and push from the top, disconnect. So right here, what I did under there was push on this because it's catching, and then push this down. Once put the pigtail out of the way, you're gonna go in here and twist your bulb. Twist it towards the driver's side, gently pull it out. Once you have your bulb out, inspect the elements, inspect the glass, see if there's any damage anywhere. When you replace driver's side headlight, your passenger side headlight is not going to be too far. The lifespan on these headlights is about the same, so you're going to want to try to replace them in pairs.
The light bulb for a Toyota 4Runner is a 9006 bulb.
When you pull your new headlight out of a package, and you'll save a couple dollars by buying both at the same time. When you pull your new unit out of the box, you'll see that it comes with a protector around the glass. That's so when it's in shipping and in transit, it doesn't get banged up. Make sure you have gloves on. Don't touch the glass with your bare hands. You have essential oils in your hands that can cause premature failure if you touch the glass with your bare hands. Once we got our unit out, we're going to go ahead and locate these notches into the cutouts on the headlight unit. So again, this is kind of tight, so you got to figure out a way to hold the bulb. Don't drop it as you're installing it. If it's easiest, remove the battery, save yourself a couple hours and another set of headlights. Once that's in there, we'll just go ahead and plug her in. That's it. That's how you replace a headlight on a 4Runner. Ciao, little buddy.